Hello again and welcome to another unboxing video. This time it's something a bit more interesting and a slightly bit more different. We have got an SSD drive from Crucial. This has just arrived the other day. We're going to see opening for the first time. One box. One rather scrunged up receipt for the item, and there is the box. It's a 64 gig solid state drive, still sealed, which is always quite good to see. Not much to actually say about it. Yeah, functional box, etc. We will see about opening it up. And as we check it out, one drive, one box, some simple instructions and nothing much else. So I think we can safely ignore that. And this, which is just your installation guide, pretty straightforward. Anyone can do that. And here we have the drive in its anti-static bag. And there we go, see it getting opened. And there you see the drive itself, warranty void sticker. Standard connectors, a bit of detail on the drive itself. It's firmware revision 2, so I suppose that's got to be a good sign. We always like to avoid revision 1 of things. Drive feels, as I would expect, very light. 4 little screws at the top there holding it in place, but again I suppose that little sticker could be easily taken off if I ever wanted to do that. But not much else you can really say, except it's the size of a standard little hard drive that's in a laptop. All we've got to do now is find a machine to put it into, then start doing some sort of tests. So let's see about getting that done just now.